How to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and here you have to click on three dots on top right corner. And here you can see setting option, click on it. Here you can see privacy option on the third number, click on it. And now click on status option. Here you will see all the privacy settings for your status. For example, I want to share my WhatsApp only specific persons, so I will just click on third option, only share with. And here you have to select any person that you want to share. For example, if I want to only share my status with only this person, I will just select this person and click on OK. And now you can see two persons have been selected in my status. You can see here these two persons. If I want to deselect any person, I will just click on it and click on OK. And now you can see I have selected only one person and only this person can see my status. But if I want to I want to make exception. For example, if I want to make accept these numbers, or I want to remove some specific contacts from my WhatsApp status, I will just click on it and here you can select any contacts from which you want to hide your status. For example, if I want to hide my status from these contacts, I will just select these status, or if I want to add more contacts, I will just click on the contact and press OK. And after that, click on back arrow. And now only these persons that you have selected in your WhatsApp for privacy setting, only these persons can see your WhatsApp status. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.